Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this sign, you will search about Sketchbook. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. And you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for